How to add pronouns to TikTok. TikTok introduced a feature that allows you to display your preferred pronouns on your profile. This is a fantastic addition to the app, promoting respect and understanding. It's an essential step in expressing your identity and making the platform more inclusive. Here's how you can add pronouns to your TikTok profile. First, open the TikTok app and tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button, which is typically located under your following and followers count. Below your username, tap on Add Pronouns. When you start typing your preferred pronoun, you will see suggestions. Choose the ones that best represent you. You can add up to 4 pronouns, and you can edit and remove them anytime. Once you've selected your preferred pronouns, tap the Save button on the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it! Your pronouns will now appear on your TikTok profile, right under your name at the top. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.